Hello sweetest beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making black rice water for faster hair growth. Black rice is actually more purplish in color than black, although when cooked it is very dark in appearance. To be compared with other type of rice, black rice is a good source of several nutrients, particularly protein, fiber and iron. Black rice contains several antioxidant properties which are beneficial to our hair. Black rice contains calories, fats, protein, carbohydrate, fiber and iron. Spraying black rice water on your hair helps to smooth your hair and make it shiny. Black rice doesn't have a funky smell like white rice. It also contains vitamin E, which is very good for the hair. First step in preparing this black rice water: put your rice in a bowl and wash it very well. I always say in my video, wash your rice very well before you soak your rice, because of the experience I had because I didn't wash my rice before I soak it, and that was my first awful experience with rice water. So please wash your rice thoroughly before you soak it. This will help to wash out the chemical they use to preserve the rice. In this video, I'll be showing you guys two ways that you can prepare your black rice water. The first one is preparing your black rice water just the way that it is. You can add any essential oil or anything that you want to add in it. The second one is preparing your black rice water with garlic and onion. The reason why I'm showing these two methods is because there are a lot of people who doesn't like the smell of garlic and onion. So if you are the type of person who doesn't like the smell of garlic and onion, you can just soak your rice in a container just the way it is, and you can add anything that you want to add into the rice water. Okay, and the other one that I show you guys is the one that I prepared at night, and today we are going to prepare a new batch of black rice water. This is the first type. After washing your black rice, put it in a container and soak it with a distilled water. You can use bottled water to soak it, but make sure that you're soaking it with a clean water. You can start using your rice water after 24 hours, or you can allow it up to 3 days to ferment. This is the second method of preparing black rice water. I love adding garlic and onion into my rice water. Garlic has antimicrobial properties that help kill germs and bacteria which are responsible for causing damage to the scalp. Garlic also boosts collagen production that helps stimulate your hair growth. Raw garlic is known to be rich in vitamin C content that is great for promoting healthy hair. When it comes to onion helps to improve the hair growth by boosting the level of antioxidants. Using onion juice on your hair helps in reversing the effect of alopecia. It slows down the graying hair, nourishes your hair, and also a good remedy for dandruff. After blending the garlic and onions together, sieve the juice into the rice water container and make sure that you sieve out all the onion and garlic juice, and then close the container. Keep it in a safe place for the rice water to ferment. One thing about this black rice is that it doesn't have the bad smell like white rice that you have to go and find lemon or orange peel or anything to change the smell. The smell is just normal. It doesn't have any funky smell at all. You can allow it to ferment like 3 days and still the smell will be okay, just neutral. So I left my black rice water to ferment for 3 days before I sieve it. So after separating the rice from the rice water, sieve it, make sure that there is no particles in it. Then you can put it in your water spray container to be easier for you to spray it on your hair. You can preserve this rice water in your fridge. It can stay like 2 weeks in your fridge. Like this one that I prepared, I will preserve it in my fridge, and these 2 containers will last for me for 2 weeks because I'm going on 2 weeks black rice water hair challenge, which will be on my next video. So after sieving the black rice water, this is what I got, and then I put it in my water spray bottle and spray it on my hair. You need to spray it on your whole hair. Make sure that it touches your hair, make sure it touches your scalp, and your scalp is the important thing. Spray it throughout your scalp. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider to subscribe and hit the notification button so that you always know each time I upload a new video. And to my new subscribers, I love you so much. Thank you so much for clicking on this channel. May God bless you abundantly, and see you on my next video. Bye.